Welcome to Special Car Stoke. My name is Umesh Samani. I'm the proprietor of Specialist Car Stoke. We do a full walk around video of every single car to show you how nice all our cars are. So please enjoy the walk around video of this car and I'll tell you why you should be buying your car from me. This is just an absolutely fantastic buy, bought direct from the last one lady owner from new. The couple really have cherished this vehicle. It is amazing. Just one owner from new. They spec'd it up from the factory, just under £3,000 worth of factory fitted options. Titanium silver metallic. It is gorgeous. It really is. It's got a black Dakota leather, business navigation. It is just beautiful. Registered in July 2008 on an 08 plate. Let me take you all the way around it. This really is a one-off example and not to be missed. It's a 520D M.Sport. Front and rear parking sensors. Massive boot on these 5 Series. Nice and clean, not been abused. Absolutely beautiful. Just look at the loading area, not a mark anywhere on the bumper there. It is just absolutely gorgeous. Very straight on the bodywork, look at that. Not a ding, not a scrape, not a mark. It is just gorgeous. All the wheels, absolutely lovely condition. No damage on any of those. All the front end. No major stone chips anywhere, just the odd one or two, which can be expected for the age of the vehicle. But again, just look at it. Isn't that beautiful all the way around? 175 brake horsepower. It's a bit of a go at it. The combined MPG according to BMW is 55 plus, so great performance, superb economy, full black Dakota leather in absolutely outstanding condition. Non-smoker's car, no horrible smells in here. In fact, all you can do is smell the original leather. That's the only smell in here. It is beautiful. Shame we haven't got smell-o-vision. You could just smell the leather there. Lots of space there, plenty of leg room. Augs input in the back as well. Electric windows front and rear. Electric mirrors. Electric driver's seat. It's got the sports seat as well. So if you want extra support under your legs, that just falls back out there. Again, just look at the upholstery, all in great condition. Absolutely beautiful. Centre armrest with storage under there. It's got the aluminium trim as well. Great stereo system with 6 CD changer, which again was an option. Business navigation. Parking sensors front and rear with visual display. All the stereo controls, everything just controlled by the wheel on there. So easy, so quick. Climate control, 6-speed manual gearbox, cruise control, beautiful multifunctional leather steering wheel, feels almost brand new. Look at the mileage, just 45,727. 45,727, that's all it's done. Full service history. Automatic lights, auto dimming mirror, automatic wipers, Great vehicle, incredible value for money, it really is, in outstanding condition. This is a one-off, one owner from new, totally cherished. Of course, we've got 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, original invoice from purchase, a folder full of documentation. It really is incredible how the couple have kept it. You can reserve this car 24/7 direct off the website. Click and reserve. We can arrange home delivery if you so wish. Ask us for further details. Part exchange welcome. Read about our raving fans review and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. Apologies for the wind noise in the background. So there we have it. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer in Stoke-on-Trent, making buying and selling cars a very simple, easy process. So if you don't want to miss this BMW, please give me a call on 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.